And there's some room down. There's some room down here. There's some room down here.
Hanggang 10 p.m.
Hanggang 10 p.m. Ano, warm daw yung tubig?
Siyempre, yung hot tub na sabi, pwede naman ng visitor.
Oo, yun pala eh. Buti hindi may...
Basta hindi daw mag-stay. Pero pwede pa ako magdagdag ng isang bata. Kung gusto naman adult, 20 per night.
20 per night. Oo, mura lang pala.
Alisa, look at the swimming pool.
Sa kabila tayo yung gilid dyan.
Alisa, that's so good. That swimming pool so good there, right? That swimming pool so good there, but we still want to swimming there, right? That slide is fun. I like the slide. Oh my god. Tita Macy, remember I went on the orange slide and then I wasn't scared? I went on the teal slide in the
May
yellow.
palibreng iced tea. Ayun o.
Iced tea?
Tikman ko nga kung anong ano.
I want to them. Ew, lemon. Where? That lemon? No, it's nice. Try. Try. No.
Yung card mo. Oo nga, nasa yun sa'yo. Oh, ano yun mo?
Kaya na kayo, sabay-sabay na kami.
Okay lang. Paunahin mo na yun.
Meron ka ng kwan, Iman?
Yeah.
Meron na sa Eman?
Meron ka ng
Sige.
card?
Sama. Halika. Sama mo na nga, kuya.
Ah, sige. Susi.
No, get it from there, guys.
Taas. 316.
316. Hindi, libre.
Libre. Ah, ano?
Hindi, gutom na ako.
Buti pwede ang
Oo.
listo.
Nasaan kaya ang ano?
Hindi, isip ko, sabi ko, shit, kailangan niya ako ng ID ko lang sa TOH dahil di ba ano,
Hindi ka pa sanay
Hindi, ngayon lang ako.
mag-check-in sa mga hotel? Credit card at reservation lang.
mamaya,
I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed.
binigay ko na yung card.
Huh?
Pwede sila dito pumasok. Ayan, para hindi halata.
Yung camera.
Hindi, okay lang naman daw ang visitor.
Okay.
Hindi lang sila mag-i-stay.
Do you want?
So yung 20, at
Wow!
Oh, per night.
Say wow! Say oh no! Alisa, look at Kian! Look at Kian!